Here's a quick video on how to embed a movie from the Canopy database into your Canvas course. So I've opened a course and created a page called Embed Canopy Movie, and I'm going to put the movie in this square right here. The first thing I need to do is select the movie and get the embed code. So let's go to Canopy, go to Canopy, and find a movie that we want to watch and click on see more, and then down here under share you want to grab this, embed this video and copy the link. So we need this whole embed code. Then we'll go back to Canopy, and we need to get the link or the tool that will let us embed the code. And so you have to go to these three buttons over here, three dots, and then click on this little cloud, and we will paste the embed code right in there and click submit, and you can see the movie shows up. And before you can preview it easily, we'll click on save, and it saved it and published it, and that's how you can get the whole movie in here. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you need some assistance.